Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video. My name is Chris, and we got confirmation that Escape Room 2 is headed your way. It was confirmed by Deadline today that Sony is going ahead and developing Escape Room 2. This actually isn't such a huge surprise because this $9 million movie grossed $118 million. That's equivalent of you taking $9 and turning it into $118. You're gonna do that again. Not much other details on the project are known at this moment. We do know that the writer and director are coming back. As far as the plot goes, we don't know that yet, but if you saw the way Escape Room ended, and if you didn't, spoilers, pretty much gave you the first 5 minutes of the sequel right there. But I wouldn't be surprised if they just did away with that for a little bit and told a whole new story revolving around a new group of strangers in an escape room. As far as my thoughts on this, I think, yeah, why not? I had a lot of fun with Escape Room. I was pretty surprised with that movie. I still contend that 70% of that movie was a well-crafted movie, and then that ending just ruined it. So I don't mind that the writer and director are coming back because they've proven that they can give you an entertaining movie. They just kind of need to learn how to stick that landing. And hopefully they hear the outcries from fans and aren't just going for another cash grab. That they'll actually put a little thought into this, build mythology onto it, not keep it as silly as the Shadow Man behind it all. Because with Saw not really being around anymore, this is the closest thing to it. And if you remember, Saw had a movie every year coming out. So if this is the new Saw, the new Paranormal Activity, the new Insidious, whatever, I'm fine with this movie being around. I love a good franchise. But the way it ended, having Zoe and Ben be the remaining survivors and them going off on an adventure to stop them at their headquarter location, I think that's a nice little setup for what's to come, and I'm sure when they get there, they'll probably run into a new group of people that are in the middle of an escape room as well. I would be kind of bummed out if they went ahead and just gave us a whole new group and never addressed the first movie, because you have the potential of turning the first movie just a little bit better if you explain it further with the second movie. But even again, if they ruin the mythology, if they ruin the ending, just make those escape rooms inventive, fun, creative, just like they were in this movie, and I'll be entertained. But anyways, guys, those are just my thoughts on Escape Room 2. Let me know what you think about this. Are you excited for a sequel? Would you want to see 3, 4, 5 of these? Because that's kind of what they're going for here. Low budget, high earning, that's what Hollywood loves. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at 3C Film Review. As always, I'm Chris. Take care.